Before we answer the question about if we can see inside a black hole, let's discuss more about the condition. How do we see? We see when light rays hit our retina, which then processes the light and creates an image. Light has certain properties which it always follows. Number 1, it always travels in a straight line. Number 2, it has a constant speed. Number 3, only a small portion of light is visible, characterized by its wavelength. Now, let's head inside the black hole. If something were to get inside the black hole, it would lose its shape. Anything that goes inside a black hole goes through a process called spaghettification. It is broken down to its basic atomic structure. The reason behind this is the intense gravity of black hole. Nothing can keep its shape while entering a black hole, and I mean nothing. No material we know can withstand that intense gravity. So that brings us to a reality that we can't survive going inside a black hole, yet alone being able to see. What? All right. Let's say we can survive. Will we be able to see inside a black hole then? We know that even light can't break free from intense gravity of black hole. The answer is no. Light doesn't behave normally inside a black hole. Light's basic property is moving in a straight line, and this property is violated inside a black hole. Black holes' gravity bars photons to travel in straight line. Neither can they travel at the speed of light at that intense pull. That's it. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comments below.